Hello, today we're gonna learn the spiral knot. You only need some rope, a ring, an S-hook, and a rack or somewhere to hang the hook from. Cut 2 pieces of rope of about 2 to 3 feet each. Fold the ropes in half and loop them into the ring. Now we're ready to knot. Take the left side rope and fold it, making a number 4 shape. Pass the right side rope over, under, and then through the hole. Pull the ropes tight. And that's it. You repeat this knot as many times as you want to get the length you're looking for. Is this similar to the square knot? Yes, the only difference between the square and spiral knot is that you don't switch sides to start each knot, and that will give you the spiral look. What do you think? Did you enjoy doing macrame? If so, don't forget to like and save this video for later. Oh, and if you're ready to create a full project, check out my macrame kit that comes with all the supplies to make a macrame plain hanger. Bye!